do authentic Jamaican pepper shrimp. So I am using fresh river shrimp that I already wash with water. So what I'm gonna do now is to use the kitchen scissors and remove the black thing, this black thing right here. I guess this is optional, but not for me, right? So in the spot is a small amount of water, and the water is put accordingly. So if you're using like 1 pound of shrimp, then a small amount of water is put than if you are using 2 pounds of shrimp. So just a little bit of water, because remember, say shrimp produces water as well, so you don't want a lot of water in the pot, just a little bit. And in Jamaica we say swims, so sometimes you might hear me say swims in the video. So to the water I am adding just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and I am going to use red peppers and 1 yellow pepper. Now it is called pepper shrimp, so that means they full up of pepper. However, I do not like when the shrimp is overly peppered, because I'm not going to enjoy it. So let me see, I'm not going to use a lot of the seeds. So I'm going to remove the seeds of this one here. Right, so I'm not going to use this. I am also going to add some of the crushed pepper. So I'm going to put this to bring it to a boil on medium heat before adding the shrimp. The shrimp starts to get red. We don't put food coloring on our shrimp in Jamaica. So I'm just gonna allow the shrimp to cook. It's gonna take about maybe 10-15 minutes. So now I am gonna add the salt. So this is it. So now I am going to remove this from the heat because it is finished. So this is my authentic Jamaican pepper shrimp. So you can see the red color, natural, no food coloring, no annatto oil or anything like that. Just natural red color. And in true Jamaican style, I am going to put the peppered shrimp into a bag.